In this video, I'll show you how to automatically align or sync text or transcripts to video or audio to generate SRT subtitles using Sonix. That's a mouthful. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, you can use the link in the description below to sign up for Sonix.ai. I'm going to sign in into Sonix, and I'm working on what I'll call a trial account. Now, this is what it looks like in the backend. You've seen the front end. Now, I'll click on upload. I want to upload a video or audio file. That is what you can do. What are you uploading? I'm uploading a SRT or existing transcript. I'll click on this. And once I click on that, you can drag and drop your file right here. And I do have my video and the respective transcript right here. So I'm just going to drag and drop my video right there. And it's preparing to upload. So it's going to upload the file, and then you can scroll down for details. What language was spoken? English. Existing transcript, I have a plain text, only includes text or what was spoken, no time code or speaker name. So that is what I have. So I'll just copy it, just double click on it, Control A, Control C, Control V to paste it in. And you have a heads up, aligning an existing transcript to the audio may take extra time. Please take a note of that. But I'll click on align in English. Ready, set, go. There's no transcription that is going on there. It is just Sonix aligning or syncing my transcript to the video. Now it's preparing this. We are preparing a file for transcription. That is what it kind of says, but it is syncing in the background. So we are going to get a transcribed kind of label. Once it's done, you just need to give it a couple of seconds, and as you've seen, the indication is that it may take a while if it is doing this more or less for the alignment. But I can actually just click on this, and when I click, you're going to get this particular option. Hocus pocus is hard at work, casting spells of accuracy on your file to create transcript like no other. We appreciate your patience and will notify you by email when magic is complete. So it's complete, and you can see our video right here. If I play this, in this video, I'll show you how to now you can see it's following what is here, but we want subtitles for this. So I'll click on subtitles, show timeline, because I want to see the timeline for subtitles. And then I'm going to work on a split. I'm going to click on split. And this is to kind of reduce the number of subtitles. And you can split transcripts into subtitles. Split subtitle over 2 lines. You can split by sentence. I have split my transcript into subtitles manually, but let's say into 2 lines. And then characters per line, let's go with 37 right there. And then I'll leave everything else as it is. Time duration, I'll bring this down to 7 seconds. Then click split into subtitles. It's going to split, and now you can see we have better looking subtitles. I wish they had the option for to split at punctuation, so that we don't have things with punctuation coming in like this. But there we have it. You can already see subtitles here. If I play this now, in this video, I'll show you how to combine and reorder PDF pages using Adobe Acrobat. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever. The syncing looks really, really good. So we've done the syncing of the text to the video. Now let's export our SRT subtitles. I'll just click on that drop down, SRT subtitle right there. Do you want to show speaker names? No, I don't want. And then click on download right there. And if I click on this, open, we get our subtitles there. The only thing you get is this particular notification. If you're on the free account, you get that notification right there. Let's scroll down, and you have it at the end as well. So you may need to edit this out so that it does not appear in your final SRT subtitle. And that is how you can easily and automatically convert text plus video to an SRT. So you are easily syncing a transcript you already have to video to generate SRT subtitles. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.